In today's video, we will see basics of data entry. In the very beginning, we will see what is data entry and how to do data entry in Excel. And later on, we will see few advanced examples. So what is data entry? Data entry simply means entering the data. And data can be entered in any form. It might be in any software or any hard copy. And today we will be doing data entry in Excel because Excel is most common form. This is my Excel workbook. In Excel, when we see on top, we can see A, B, C, D and so on. So these are our columns. On the left hand side, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 and these are our rows. Intersection of column and rows are known as cells. And inside the cells, we do our entry. To do the data entry, we need some data. And data may be in any form. Either it may be in hard copy or any PDF. So you have got your data in hard copy or PDF format. I'll suggest you to convert the data in picture format. What's the basic reason behind this? Let's see. I'll go in Insert tab. We'll come to right hand side. Over here we get the option to insert the picture. I'll click on drop down and we'll select Place over cells. Picture from file. And this is my picture where I have got my data. I'll click on Insert and my picture of data got inserted. We'll resize this. The basic reason behind taking the data in picture format, we can place this inside our Excel file and it will be easier for us to do the data entry. Now I'll click on very first cell and this is A1. I will always suggest to leave first column and first row blank. In this way, our data looks much cleaner and much presentable. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2. In row number 2, we will insert our headers. So our very first header is serial number. I'll type serial number. Then we have got company name. If we notice over here, the entry what we have done is coming in next cell also. So I'll click on top and our column will be adjusted. This will be region. Then it's product. We'll click on right arrow key or tab button. This will be monthly sales. We'll press tab. To increase the size of column, we can drag this also. Then comes rate, quantity and target achieved. We'll double click on top to adjust the column size. Now I'll come to serial number. 1, enter. 2, enter. If we notice, our texts are getting aligned in left and our numbers are getting aligned in right. I'll select the whole column. We'll go in Home tab. We'll come in the center. Over here we get the option of alignment. I'll click on Center Text and all the things will be aligned in the center. Now I'll click over here. So over here we will not do the entry manually. I'll select 1 and 2 and will drag this down as per my requirement. Let's come to header. We'll select the whole row and we'll press Ctrl B or Command B and our text will be bold. What will happen if I'll increase the row size of my headers? Just notice, all the headers are sitting at bottom. So I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab, Alignment, and from here I'll select Align to Middle. Now all the headers are in center. We'll adjust the headers. We'll select row number 2 and we'll align all the things in center. Now I'll click on very first header. We'll press Shift Ctrl down arrow key, right arrow key, and we'll create borders. We'll click on first header. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key. We'll go in Home tab and we'll change the cell color as well as font color. Now this is looking like a format. Company name. So very first company name is Samsung. I'll type Samsung over here. We'll press tab or right arrow key. Region. Region is East. Product. Product is mobile. Monthly sales. I'll check the sales in my data. It's 12348. We'll come to right. Rate. We'll take this on top or we'll resize this. Now I'll take this on top. Rate is 4431. We'll come to right hand side. Quantity. In quantity we haven't got anything, so I'll leave this blank. Target achieved. Over here it's yes. Enter. Now I'll come to serial number 2 and we'll do my entry. Company name is Apple. We'll press right arrow key. Region is West. Product is watch. Monthly sales is 145670. Rate is 3476. Quantity is blank. And target achieved is yes. We'll take this down. Enter. So in this way, data entry is done. Just notice one thing. Figures are getting aligned in right hand side. I'll select monthly sales and rate. We'll select quantity also and we'll align all the things in center. When we come to quantity, it's blank. So we can insert our formula over here, plus or equal to monthly sales divided by rate, and we'll hit enter. And we got the quantity, but we can see decimal places over here. To remove the decimals, I'll be going to Home tab, will come in the center. We get the option of number. Over here, we get the option to increase decimals, and just after that, decrease decimals. So I'll decrease my decimals. Now I'll drag this down, and my formula got applied. So I have done my 2 entries. In case you have got more data, keep on doing the entries. Now let's see how this process can be made fast. I'll select region from top to bottom. In region, we have got 4 regions: east, west, north and south. And this will keep on repeating. So we will create drop downs over here. We'll go to data tab. We'll come in the center, data tools. Inside data tools, we get the option of data validation. We'll click on data validation. On top, we see 3 things: settings, input message and error alert. We will go in settings. Any value, I'll click on drop down and we'll select list. Source. In source, I'll type all the regions: east, west, north, south. Now I'll come down and we'll click on OK. Just notice over here, our drop downs got created. So whenever we will have to insert region, we are not going to type again and again. We will just select the region from the drop down. Same thing can be done for target achieved. I'll resize this. We'll place this in left. We'll click just under target achieved and we'll select till bottom. We'll go to data tab. We'll come in the center, data tools. From here, I'll select data validation. Any value, I'll select list. Source, I'll type yes, no. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. So over here also, our drop-downs got created. Let's take this to right. Suppose that we have done our data entry and later we need more headers. We can click on top, can right-click the mouse, insert, and a new column got inserted. Over here, we can insert the header, employee name. Let's adjust the column size. And now we can do the entry. Name 1, enter. Perfect. So this was one way. Let's see the second way. I have opened a new workbook. Let's go to Insert tab, Pictures, insert picture from this device. I'll insert my picture. We'll resize this. Perfect. Let's go to column A and let's resize this. Let's click on B2. Our first header over here is serial number. I'll type serial number, employee ID, name, blood group. Let's adjust the column size. Designation, we'll adjust the column size. Phone number, region. Now I'll select row number 2 and we'll align all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll align all the things in middle. We'll select row number 2 once again and we'll change the font style. Let's select the whole sheet and let's adjust the column sizes. Perfect. Let's click on serial number. Let's press Shift Control right arrow key. Let's go on top and let's change the cell color. We'll create borders over here. We'll click on serial number. We'll select till end. We'll select few extra rows and we'll create borders. So over here, my format is ready now. Now I'll select all the headers. We'll go on top. Over here, we get the option of form. I'll click on form. We got an alert. Just click on OK. A new form will open. In case it's not visible in your system, what you have to do? Let's close this first. Let's go on top. Customize quick access toolbar. I'll click over here and we'll go to more commands. Over here we can see popular commands. We'll click on drop down and we'll select all commands. Now all the commands are visible over here. We'll click on any command and we'll press F. And we came to all the commands which are starting from F. Now I'll come down and we'll look for form. Over here we have got form. So we will click over here and we'll click on add. Once we will click on add, it will be visible on right hand side. Just come down and click on OK. Now go on top and click on form. Alert will be visible. Click on OK. So I had selected all the headers and we can see all the headers over here also. Serial number 1. Don't press enter. Just use your mouse or keypad. Employee ID. I'll take this to left and will refer my data. It's EM101. Name Albert. Blood group A positive. Designation manager. Phone number. I'll take phone number over here. Region East. So I have done all the entries. Now I will hit enter and just notice all the entries are done. Let's do the second entry. Serial number 2. Employee ID EM102. Name Alexander. Blood group O positive. Designation team member. Phone number will refer my data and will insert the phone number. Region West. Now I will hit enter and all the entries are getting done very easily. So in this way data entries are done. More you practice, more you are going to learn.